guys, on that side is where I saw the other part of the dust storm picking up. You can't really see it quite well on this clip, but there's some excellent lightning over here, and I hope we can get another one while I'm on the clip. Lightning in the clouds at the moment. We had a massive one just now.